Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create a title piece on Google Docs on your phone. It's a really simple process, and I'm gonna teach you right now how you can create a title piece on Google Docs. So at first, you must obviously open up Google Docs via your app because that is easier, and you gotta create a new template or a new document. So after you have done that, all you gotta do is you gotta select your font size. It is quite different from the one we did in PC. You can check that video out if you are doing in PC, which will be listed right down in the description box below. At there we created a table and adjusted everything right there, but here at the phone, because there are limited features, what we are gonna do is we are gonna write in our title bold. So the title, we are gonna keep it at first, we can justify it, and we're gonna keep it at the center, and wherever you want to, at the middle, somewhere in the middle, you're gonna add in your subtitle if you wish. Subtitle, you can make this bold, italic, however you like it. So I'm gonna make it italic, subtitle, and you can even underline it if you like it. I'm not gonna underline it as of now. You can even change your color. You can see right here, I'm gonna keep it in print layout. So now you can see the color, the title, everything right here. So this will be your title piece. You can change the sizes as well. You can make it more down, you can increase the size of it, you can even add headers and footers right down below. And this is how you create a title piece on your Google Docs on your phone. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.